Down the road, and it will also spin the head, and the wheels can turn, and the wheels become slow.
You have to be a mechanic and fix it. Fix it.
I didn't know how to snap this one on it too. Only slow. Watch I fix here. I can fix the rest of pants. And I can fix the rest of pants. Daddy, look. What's something looking? What's that looking?
How it looking?
Funny.
Funny? Haha.
Oh, it looks right. I fixed it. I fixed it. I fixed it.
Because if it fixed now,
Yeah.
let me see.
Yeah.
You're a mechanic.
Yes, as a mechanic. And these I can put them back on. And they watch. What is it? Yeah.
Yeah. Let's scrap it and then build it back.
It's all done, it's all fixed. Yeah! Daddy,
What truck is that?
a front loader.
Front loader? Okay. That one over there.
Garbage truck. And I transform it into a fire truck.
Okay, let me see. Come closer with it.
Okay. Watch it. Looks like a fire truck. It is a fire truck.
Yeah.
It has 4 water cannons. 4. Daddy, I think I got some firemen.
Where?